Boys seem to like the girls who laugh at anything, the ones who get undressed before the second day. Girls seem to like the boys who don't appreciate all the money and the time that it takes.
Guys, hey guys, Demonic here, and you're probably wondering, why is there the most kawaii sheep house in the galaxy here, and why is there a picture of Kirby, 3 picture things of Totoro, and 2 anime girls in there? Oh dang, hold on, and why am I putting a hole in it? And why is there a beautiful, I repeat, a beautiful room, a room with 2 adorable narwhals in here with Hello Kitty, and I don't know what that is. This is my subscriber house. This is my Totoro-ness. Actually, in front of 2 anime girls. And it and instead of having sheep, I have wolves. So I am gonna place you guys, and you guys can be my pet wolf. And I will, with the name tags, now that we gotten some name tags here, I will add your name as my wolf. So yeah, I did not just make this video just to show you this and my adorableness thing. This is my texture pack. I know if I'm a vampire queen, this is not what you would expect from a vampire, but I just thought everything goes together and it looks adorable. I love the rainbows, the rainbow and happiness, and Totoro in my life with some anime girls. Wow. Okay, so yeah. And I love this room. This is like has to be my favorite room because it's just so adorable. So if you guys want to join me and be my pet wolf, just tell me in the comment section of my video. And I will also come here and take my wolf of your name out when I do my shout outs to you. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and subscribe and comment down below, and leave a like to my text back, please. Thanks.